Today I am going to start genetics. And you know genetics is a branch of biology. The term genetics was given by Bateson. The term genetics was given by Bateson. And Mendel, Gregor John Mendel, is called father of genetics. Molecular basis of heredity is one of the important chapters of the genetics. And today I am going to cover or start what are the salient features of DNA. DNA is very important, and DNA is called deoxyribonucleic acid. So it is a type of nucleic acid, and it was discovered by Friedrich Miescher in 1869. But he called it nuclein. But nomenclature, nucleic acid was given by, or term was given by Altman in 1899. There are two types of nucleic acid, DNA and RNA. In DNA, what are the differences between the DNA and RNA? In DNA, deoxyribose sugar is found. What is deoxyribose sugar? As the name indicates, deoxy means ribose sugar minus one atom of oxygen is called deoxyribose sugar. And deoxyribose sugar and ribose sugar both are 5 carbon compound, so they are called pentose. And the molecular formula of ribose is C5H10O5. Later on I will discuss about the structure of ribose. Deoxyribose, what is the formula of deoxyribose sugar? C5H10O4 means C5H10O5 minus one atom of oxygen. So the formula of deoxyribose sugar is C5H10O4. Second point, nitrogen bases. There are 4 types of nitrogen bases: cytosine, thymine, adenine, and guanine in DNA. And in RNA, cytosine, uracil, adenine, and guanine. So you can see very well, thymine is absent in RNA. And in place of thymine, uracil is found. So what are the common nitrogen bases? Cytosine, adenine, and guanine. 3 nitrogen bases are common in both DNA and RNA. Only difference in the nitrogen bases is the thymine and uracil. Thymine is only found in DNA and uracil is only found in RNA. DNA is called universal genetic material. Wherever DNA is absent, RNA acts as genetic material. So RNA is of 2 types, genetic RNA or non-genetic RNA both. Non-genetic RNA are of 3 types, rRNA, mRNA, tRNA. I have already given the PDF of the different types of RNA. DNA is a double-stranded structure except 5X174. 5X174 is a type of virus or bacteriophage. But RNA is single-stranded. DNA is fuel gen positive. Fuel gen is a type of stain, so it retains the stain. That is why they are called fuel gen positive. And RNA does not retain, so they are called fuel gen negative. DNA is more stable, chemically more stable. So that is why they act as universal genetic material. But RNA is chemically not more stable, so they are unstable. They are chemically unstable, so they react fastly, or say they mutate fastly or rapidly. So they mutate rapidly. So these are important differences between the DNA and RNA. Now what is the DNA? DNA is a macromolecule. They are polymer of nucleotides, and each nucleotide is made up of deoxyribose sugar, phosphoric acid or phosphorus, nitrogen bases. DNA found in 5x174 is 5386 nucleotides, not base pair, because 5x174 is a single stranded DNA, contains DNA. And E. coli is very important, and the full form of E. coli is Escherichia coli. E. coli contains 4.6 into 10 to the power 6 base pair, and a human contains in diploid cell or 2N structure. 2N represents the diploid structure. Contains 6.6 into 10 to the power 9 base pair. N means haploid, and which is 3.3 into 10 to the power 9 base pair, or you may write 3 into 10 to the power 9 base pair. So, I would like to start, what is nucleotide? Nucleotide is a building block of DNA. Nucleotide is the building block of DNA. This is made up of deoxyribose sugar. The structure of deoxyribose sugar is one, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So there are 5 carbon, 1, 2, 3, 4, and they represent OH, H, and in ribose oxygen is absent here. So in ribose O is present. Due to presence of OH group in ribose sugar, they are not stable. So here H, OH, H, CS2, OH. This is called deoxyribose sugar. So deoxyribose sugar, this is a 5 carbon compound. So that is why they are called pentose. Number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5. And nitrogen base is attached with the carbon number 1 by a bond. And the bond is called N-glycosidic bond. The bond is called N-glycosidic bond. And third number, here phosphorus is attached, and also at the 5 number phosphorus is attached. So here also bond is found, and this is called ester bond. And popularly known as diester bond, because there are 2 ester bonds, one with 3 and phosphorus, and at the 5 carbon another bond, so called phosphodiester bond. Phosphodiester bond. So what are the types of nitrogen bases? Nitrogen bases are of 2 main types, pyrimidine and purine. And pyrimidine is a single ring compound. Each pyrimidine is made up of 4 carbon and 2 nitrogen. This is the basic skeleton of the pyrimidine. Pyrimidine. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now, many times question is asked, also in NEET examination and board also, nitrogen base is attached with the carbon number 1 of, they are attached with the 3 nitrogen. So that is why this bond is called N1,3 glycosidic bond in case of pyrimidine. But where purine is found, so the name of bond is N1,9-glycosidic bond. Because 9 number nitrogen base is attached with the carbon number 1 of sugar. So that is why called 1,9-glycosidic bond. The basic structure of the purine is, this is a double ring compound, and you have studied in class 11. So number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5, number 6, 7, 8, 9. So this number nitrogen is attached with the sugar. So that is why they are called N-glycosidic bond, N9-glycosidic bond. But in case of pyrimidine, they are joined with 3 number. So that is why they are called 1,3. This is sugar, deoxyribose sugar. So sugar is attached with the nitrogen base by carbon number 1 and nitrogen number 3. So that is why the name of bond is called 1,3 and glycosidic bond. But in case of purine, this is the basic structure of purine or basic skeleton. So each pyrimidine ring is made up of 4 carbon and 2 nitrogen. But in purine, they are made up of 9-membered ring, and out of 9-membered ring, there are 5 carbon and 4 nitrogen. So what is the difference between the pyrimidine and purine? Pyrimidine is a single ring compound. It is a 6-membered ring, and out of 6, 4 carbon and 2 nitrogen. Purine is a double ring compound, and which is a 9-membered ring and made up of 5 carbon and 4 nitrogen. There are 2 types of pyrimidine, cytosine and thymine. Adenine is complementary with thymine. Guanine is complementary with cytosine. So there are 2 hydrogen bonds in between the adenine and thymine, and 3 hydrogen bonds in between the guanine and cytosine. And another important constituent of the nucleotide is phosphorus, PS3PO4. Phosphorus, 3 OH group is present. So they are acidic in nature. And the nature of DNA is negatively charged. So that is why DNA is negatively charged. DNA is not positively charged. DNA is negatively charged. So one nucleotide consists of deoxyribose sugar, nitrogen base, and phosphorus or phosphoric acid. A short segment of sugar. Next sugar. There are 4 nitrogen bases. So that is why there are 4 types of nucleotides in DNA. They are sugar, and each sugar is joined with nitrogen, adenine, thymine, guanine, cytosine. So 4 nitrogen bases. So hence there are 4 types of nucleotides on the basis of presence of nitrogen base. When adenine is joined, they are called deoxyadenylic acid. When adenine is joined, the name of nucleotide is deoxyadenylic acid. When thymine is attached with the sugar compound, the name of nucleotide is called deoxythymidyllic acid. Thymidyllic acid. So acidic property is found in nucleotide. When guanine is attached, guanilic acid. When cytosine is attached, cytidylic acid. So there are 4 types of nucleotides, and carbon number 3 is joined with sugar by phosphorus. By phosphodiester bond. So that is why there are 2 ends, 5' end and 3' and 5'. And on A, adenine pair with cytosine by 2 hydrogen bond. A pair with thymine by 2 hydrogen bond. Guanine pairs with cytosine by 3 hydrogen bond. So white color represents the bond. Adenine is attached with thymine. Thymine is attached with adenine. Guanine is attached with cytosine. Cytosine is attached with guanine. And now carbon number 1 is attached with nitrogen base. So this is called sugar. So there are 5 carbon compound. They are called pentose sugar, and 3 and 5 are attached with phosphorus. And here 3' and 5' position takes place. So it forms the railing of the DNA. So what is the composition of railing, or they are called backbone? Railing 1. Another railing 2, the sugar is inverted, because it has been fixed that the number of nitrogen bases always attached with carbon number 1, not with other carbon. So they are called railing 2. And they run anti-parallel to each other. This is 3' and 5'. 3' and 5'. So DNA always run anti-parallel. So there are 2 railing. This is the backbone of the DNA molecule. DNA is called macromolecule. And each railing is made up of sugar and phosphate, sugar, phosphate. Phosphate is attached with the sugar by phosphodiester bond. Sugar is attached with phosphate by phosphodiester bond. There are 4 types of nucleotides. So it is a short chain of deoxy. It is a short segment of deoxyribonucleic ribonucleic acid. A attached with T, T attached with A, G attached with C by 3 hydrogen bond, C attached with Z. And therefore, step, they are the step. So each step are stacked or made up of nitrogen bases. And they are coiled together. It is a short segment of double stranded structure. So there is 3 and 3 prime and 5 prime, 3 prime, this is 5 prime. They are joined by nitrogen bases. They are joined by nitrogen bases. There are 2 railing. It is like that of ladder. And railing is made up of sugar phosphate. Railing is made up of sugar phosphate. Railing is made up of sugar phosphate. Entire strand is made up of sugar phosphate. And there are 10 nucleotides. The distance between the 10 nucleotides is called 1 turn. The length of 1 turn is 34 angstrom, what will be nanometer, so that is 3.4 nanometer. And 1 turn contains 10 nucleotides. How many nucleotides are found in 1 turn? 10 nucleotides. So that is why the distance between the 2 nucleotides is 3.4 angstrom. And the diameter of DNA is about 20 angstrom, and which is 2 nanometer. The diameter of DNA is 20 angstrom. So there are 2 major groups. This is called minor group and this is called major group. There are 10 nucleotides in 1 turn, so that is why the distance between the 2 nucleotides is 3.4 angstrom and in nanometer 0.34 nanometer. So this is a double structure, DNA double helix. It was proposed by Watson and Crick. So that is why it is called Watson and Crick model. And this DNA model was proposed by Watson and Crick. This is a right-handed DNA in 1953 and also called right-handed DNA because the right-handed DNA or BDNA. So BDNA, right-handed DNA, Watson-Crick model DNA. So they are, this is the structure of double helix structure and B for balanced DNA. So thank you.